Hi, it's Rachel Smith with Compass up in Big Bear. Today, not that house, this one. We are going to be looking at 1027 Clubview. So this one is right up going to Bear Mountain. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1436 square foot, and just hit the market for $769,000. It's a great vacation rental, really nicely remodeled. So come check this one out. Okay, so we're gonna start from the street right here. That is the road to Bear Mountain, probably about a quarter mile, third of a mile to get there from here. This road is plowed pretty quickly because it is one of the major roads in Big Bear. So it's kind of nice for your guests. If you are looking for a vacation rental, this one's a good one just because it's a lower part of Moonridge, very easy to get to, quick, easy access, flat level entry, just got all the easy things that renters want, along with all the beautiful, great amenities that renters are going to want too, like a hot tub and gaming areas. But you also have a good amount of parking here too, because you're going to need to have at least 3 spots. You could get 3 in a row right here. But depending upon what this looks like underneath the snow, you might be able to pull people over in here. That way you don't have to all of you back out if one of you wants to leave. So I can see a little retaining wall in between here and the other house. Outside you've got this Tesla charger right here. So one nice upgrade that a lot of renters are looking for right now. And then you've got some storage sheds right there, but the property is partially fenced. So you've got fencing over here. You can also see it in the back right there. The roof looks like it's in really good shape too. And the cute thing is it's got that A-frame kind of look to it right here where it comes out. A big icicle right there too. So again, it's kind of hard to tell with all the snow what this looks like, but you know, could do something right here. It looks like they've flattened it out, and then they've also made a retaining wall right here as well. So you enter and you've got this kind of like a gray beige hardwood floor. That was really nicely done. I really like all the white with the black accents on the beams too. Was a really good idea on color choices. So here you've got just like your towels and stuff for the hot tub, storage for your guest, information on how to play bumper pool and poker, because this is a poker table. And then, so the interesting thing about the layout of this house is that you have 2 different living rooms, essentially. So this one's kind of more of like the kids' living room for the people that are living down or staying down here. And then you also have like an upstairs living room too. So you've got, I mean, pretty much a guest could sleep there too. So this one is run off of a wall heater, not central air, but I believe they have another wall heater upstairs. It's really nicely decorated too. Again, underneath all the snow, but I'll describe to you what I know, is that you are still fenced on this side, fenced right there. Your property line is going to be where this white fence is right here. Behind that is the golf course. So nobody's ever going to really build any kind of housing or anything back there. Get a lot of entertainment from being able to just watch people golf back here. You do have a half basketball court back here as well in this area. And then over here, access to the hot tub. So that takes a lot of work, man, to dig all this out for guests to have access to the hot tub. And then you've got your barbecue out here as well. Just a nice patio. From here, can't see the mountain yet. I think we're gonna actually be able to do that from the upstairs balcony. We should be able to see it. You do have a rental next door right here, but just a nice, pretty blanket of snow in your backyard. And this one currently is a very successful vacation rental. I believe I had seen that they are with a company called Wonder, which I haven't heard yet. Another thing to note is the upgraded windows. So the age of the house, most houses that you'll see would have been old windows too. So the entire home is a 3-bed, 2-bath. Downstairs is going to be 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Upstairs is 1 bedroom, 1 bath. So you have a full bathroom down here. It's like a Korean countertop. And then this is tile, actually. I thought it was going to be linoleum, but it's tile, which is really interesting. You have a bidet. But nice, clean, white, which is what I love. It's like a plastic tub. And so a couple other things that they have done to it. They've actually done this whole remodel on it. And then put the basketball court in and made it into its vacation rental history that it is today. All their choices on beddings. All their beds are really cute in here, which I think is one big draw for vacation rentals, is that the bed is just like clean, you know, pretty, cozy, comfy. You've also got another mattress in the closet. And then they have that locked as an owner closet as well. But this one next door is my favorite bed. I love this. This takes up the whole room, and I like the height of it too. I believe that's a queen bed though. Not entirely sure. These are really pretty how they did these as well. Just as little side tables. Must have like a bar on the inside of it. But this thing is kind of cozy. A big old couch. And you do have the trolley that goes up the road to Bear Mountain. And they did just the mountain to just get approval to connect the 2 mountains, so Bear Mountain and Snow Summit. So now you will be able to ride a chairlift from one mountain to the other. I mean, not now, but soon, once they build it. So here we have the laundry room. This is that pop out on the other side of the Tesla charger. So the Tesla charger is on the other side of this wall on the outside. A little colder in this room probably because it pops out. Nice little addition though, to be able to have something like this in here. And then also you've got some dual pane windows right there too. So we're gonna go upstairs now. And you've got your vacation rental railing vacation rental scuff marks. But they did a good job on these stairs. And I like this wire that they use. And nice to have these little plugs in the floor. So here we have the mountain. Get a little bit of a better view of the golf course, which I'll try and take you outside, but as you can see, it's pretty covered. But they have a little bar right here. And let me see if I can open this up. So you kind of get like a little peekaboo view of the mountain through the trees. The zoo is also like right here from where we are right now. And then that little trail line of trees right here. They're gonna have Rathburn Creek project. That's gonna be a hiking, biking path that goes all the way from the mountain down to the lake. Another cool thing is that Moonridge they're gonna revamp downtown Moonridge and make that like a new little village area. You can't really see, but there's like a little bird's nest down there in that speaker. Wow, these things are big. Okay, so here we are upstairs. Remodeled kitchen, living room, fireplace, and then your last bedroom, bathroom is up here too. And beautiful furniture, especially for Big Bear. This is a great table. Lots of storage. This is another kind of like a Korean. Upgraded appliances. I like that hunter green that they used in the kitchen too. Typically, if this was 10 years ago, you would have seen that green on the floor. And it's nice that they were able to keep just a small hint of it. This is neat too because they've got all the character in the wood. Little coffee bar for the renters. A little Lazy Susan. But you could pretty much walk to the ski slopes from here. It would really make no sense to, walk anywhere else or even walk to if you were to walk to just an area that would take you up there, like the lift line. Sorry, I'm confused on how that works, but pretty cool. And then here is the second wall heater, so you can heat the downstairs separate from the upstairs too. Here is a really neat picture of Bear Mountain. I haven't been up there in so many years. I feel like it's a little bit more advanced than my skill level. You got like a little reading nook right here. This is probably like a charging station, I'd imagine. Who knows? A nice couch too. This must be the name of their vacation rental, the Slope House. And this is where everybody's sign-in book is. It's a very cute picture, and people stopped after that. You got nice views of Gold Mountain over there, Holcomb Valley as well. large flat screen TV. This is kind of neat. So they definitely did this work where they put these little 1x2s on the fireplace, because this is not a typical fireplace in Big Bear. But it's great. They did a really good job with it, and matches the high beam ceilings too. So a faux fireplace, probably not going to put off a lot of heat right here, but nice that they actually have that. And then we're going to go into the bathroom. So again, they remodeled this one the same as the downstairs with the same tile floors. Same green cabinetry that's in the kitchen. Same countertops that are downstairs. Same bidet toilet. I just love a consistency in bathrooms. It's just like it's actually really easy to clean too. Feels like kind of a plastic, but super easy to clean, I would imagine. And then last we have the last bedroom. Probably more of the master. There is no closet, but that is forgiving because you kind of have this little makeshift closet right here, and you're not going to take up the whole space. Probably a queen bed right here that we're looking at. But it's the only bedroom that is upstairs. Same fans all throughout the house. Really nicely done bedding. And the same great little end table. Oh, they got like a metal bar that goes into it. So there you have it. This one is 1027 Clubview Drive. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1436 square foot. It is currently a vacation rental that does really well, especially this time of year. And this one is on a 7,200 square foot lot. And it's the list price $769, makes it $536 a square foot. So let me know what you think and if you'd like to see it. Talk to you soon. Bye.